everyone, welcome back to my show Furious Talk. Here we talk frequently and fearlessly. Today we are going to talk about some sensitive and a topic which everyone fears to talk about. Today's our topic is the role of society. Everyone knows the role of society and think about society. Everyone wants to know that how the society impact us, but don't anyone don't want to talk about. So we have a guest, so she's going to tell us about more frequently and efficiently so that we can easily come to the conclusion. So let's welcome our guest with a great round of applause. Hello, Miss Bhavya.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. How was you feeling in coming my show?
Actually, I was very excited because the show you are going to organize today is very relevant to the audience because everyone have faced it in their life. So let's start.
So as you're so excited and I am also so excited, so let's start the. So I just want to start with some little question like. What is the role of society? Because society is a thing that just appears like just appears. No one has made it, no one has created it. It's the existence of society is not a thing that we have imagined. So what are your points?
See, if you want to know what is its impact or something on that, so I would say that it could have both impacts because the society could be the thing which could encourage an individual, and that individual could be like in future could be very effective and something which could efficiently help our country. But if society is demotivating or discouraging an individual, it could be the thing which would be like the end of the individual's confidence. When you lose your confidence, you are not going to do anything in your life. But society, if they want, they can make someone who is going to contribute for the country, and can also make someone who is going to depend on someone, or might be it could have some negative impact.
As you told so many things, like it has good impacts and bad impacts also. I just want to know the role of society, because the role is like the thing that don't anyone don't talks about, because the society is a thing which is very impactful for a person. Because everyone thinks that what will society says, they first taking the step, they only thinks that what will society think, what will the four people says. So what do you think, the thinking of that is good or not?
See, when people think what society would say, they then they are losing confidence. If the person is confident and have the quality, he or she can do anything in their life. And if they're thinking about the society, what society would say, then definitely I could say they don't have confidence. And when some people are thinking about this, it is all about the confidence. If they have the confidence, they can fight from the whole world. If they don't have the confidence, they'll just say how someone would react on this.
Okay, as you told, but I have a question in my mind. Like the our parents has told us that, and every Indian desi household family has teach us and told us that ki, what will the four people say if you do this, what will the society say, what will the people say. So we have learned this from the childhood, so how we can change it?
See, as you said, we have learned it from the childhood, and our parents are saying this. Then they are also stuck in that loop. What someone would think, how someone would react on it. But as you said, that how could we change it? Then I would like to say that to our audience also, that education is a thing which can change everything. Like, from where do you get confidence? When you are fully prepared for that thing, or might be you are very effectively, or like you can do that thing well. Then education is the thing which make you capable to do anything. And when you are capable to do anything, you know your rights and everything, then you are not afraid of anyone. And that is the end of that loop. You are getting out of that loop by the help of education. So I would like to say that education is the thing which is necessary in now generation, and it is the thing which would end the myths going on in the society.
As you mentioned education, then I would like to say in this generation that people are aware about education. But some years ago, as we talk in now also, the some back hometowns, like those village, they are old village, they are thinking is like the woman or a child or education is not compulsory. But we know that education is compulsory, but what about those people who don't think that education is compulsory? Don't send their child, mostly girls, to the schools or for education.
So first, I would like to say the people who are saying that education is not necessary, or whether they are saying that education is not necessary for girls, I'm sure that they are illiterate. They are not educated. Cause if they are educated, they know the value of education, and especially in today's time, they know the education, how education is important for a girl. And like if they are not allowing, then they are also stuck in that loop. They are not studied, they are not educated, and they are also stuck in that loop. But if they'll send their child to schools and that they'll learn, and I'm definitely sure the children whom they are sending through schools, those small childs could even change their mentality. Education teaches you equality, education teaches you like respect every religion, every caste. Don't even mind to like now, education is something which can change anything. A society, even the whole world, can be changed by the education. So the people who are saying that it is not necessary, they are also not educated.
As you told, the people are saying that the education is not important, they are also not educated. But I think somewhere it is because the past of their life, because they are also, their parents also don't allow them to study. That's why this loop is going on. So I want our viewers, and we wanted to end this loop, but we don't know from where would you start, from where we should start. So can you tell us some points that our viewers can do, so we can do, the government can do, so that this loop will be ended?
See, if you are talking about government is already working on it. Government have many active, like they have started many schemes and something like that that would help the people of rural areas to send their child to school. Even some schemes like midday meal for the poor people, and many more. And if you like the you said how could we spread awareness, so that is the role of your news channel and the media. Like something, media is also one of the pillar of a country, which has a main role in the change with the education. If you want to aware the people, government is also working on that. They are sending government teachers to the rural areas, and telling them and encouraging them and telling them the benefits, why education is necessary, how it could change your and your children's life nowadays. So I think many more activities are going on, and by the influence of the news channels and some of the social media, and by 2 to 3 generations there would be a global change, that everyone at that time, when everyone would be educated, it is something you can't even imagine how we will develop, how we can change the society, and the society will be like just you can't even imagine. So the thing is education.
So as our guest said so many things, and he has also read the, in 2 to 3 generation there will be a global change. So let wish luck for our future generation, and end this first episode of our series. Thank you.